I absolutely hate these curtains. You guys, so much has happened this last year. I'm in an accelerated nursing program. I have a few weeks left. We decided to renovate a bathroom based on some tiles we found on Facebook Marketplace. We were gifted a boat. We renovated a boat. Don't get me wrong, I love design. I love the whole process, but it's been a lot. We also had to renovate our master bath because of a leak. I can say it was every dollar well spent because I spent a lot of time in here. We found some land at a steal, which is amazing because we hope to build there. We fixed up our fixer-upper back east. Yeah, it's kind of like putting a Band-Aid on it. We renovated our duplex, fixed it up all nice, and can you believe we've had 3 tenants not pay us rent for almost a year? Saying we're in the struggle is an understatement. But if you like videos like this, you like the chaos, and you like the grind, keep on watching. The boat renovation is almost done. In this vlog, we're going to do something different. We are going to get our windows tinted and go antiquing into the farmer's market. One of my favorite parts of the day when I get ready to go out is actually picking out my scent. And today we have Amouage Guidance. Okay, so if you've been following me for a long time, you know I'm a big old dork inside. I love paper crafts, I love scrapbooking, I love art, and I love working with my hands. So when I saw this lady's items, I couldn't pass them up. And then I went to this like old thrift store. It's like an old antique store in an antique mall area. I wasn't that impressed, but I decided to just have a look around. But everything seemed kind of stale. Everything seemed kind of like stuff I had already seen before. You know that feeling when you go shopping, but it's kind of like you have to force yourself to spend money? And if you have to force yourself to spend money, there's no point. Just save it. Vintage Reed and Barton. Needs to be shined up. Door handles. Look at these little $15. What is this, espresso or shot glass? I do like this. This would be cute. It's $85. I don't know where I'd hang it. You know? Like, it's got the mirror that's etched in old. Look at the miniatures. That's cute. Like if you had a little dollhouse. This booth is always like the 70s stuff. Actually, the lady at this booth was kind of rude to me one time. I sat something down and she was like, "Oh, don't sit it there." Like, she could have said it more nicely. Look at these mid-century shade lamps. That's cute. Look at this collection of purple bottles. Pretty. $8.
That's whatever's in here.
Yeah, I know. I need to figure out how to do it.
And did it just by taking a picture of it.
Stevie, you're more technologically advanced than me. Hey guys, I want to show you what I got from the farmer's market. So, I got some veggies. I got a gang of nectarines, plums. I got some kale, some cilantro, and some lettuce. I don't know what I'm going to make. Maybe some sort of like steak salad or something later. And then, of course, I had to get some sweets. So I got this pineapple upside down cake, pecan pie, chocolate hazelnut spread, and then some paper goods. Oh, I also got some banana bread, chocolate chip banana bread. But I'm super excited about these paper crafts. So let me show you. So you know sometimes you want to wrap a present and you just don't have the right wrapping paper or anything like that. So all these tags, I used to make all this stuff. You guys are OG subscribers, OG followers, you know. So this one is super cute. Add it to a gift bag. It's like a stiff. We got the little toucan. This one just has a unicorn, kind of simple. This one, I don't know why I picked that one up, but I really like this one. It's made out of hard cardstock. These are just like tags for presents. This one has a bunny. This one has a birthday cake. This one looks like that. And then I just got a simple card that says thank you. I'm going to use this for a teacher's gift. I got to come up with 2 teacher's gifts. And it can't be too expensive. One time I gave a teacher a gift. It was too expensive. She had to give it back. And then I gave her something different. Oh, I have 2 ideas actually. I'm going to give them each some sunblock. Some really good quality, high quality sunblock.
You want another one?
I think that'll be good. Okay, so I already made my curtains in my bathroom because those were like kind of like a DIY. I did order these, which I kind of have something similar in my bedroom. I wanted something similar, but 2 pages was just too expensive. So I ordered these off Amazon, and it's a relaxed shade, and this is the pattern. So these are the ones that I made. I really love this ticking stripe. I would prefer it if they had this exact one, but let's hang the other one up. Let's see. That. Like that. I went and bought a few things from SKIMS. I got the capri leggings in green. Then I got the little bra. Then I got the top. Then I got the tank top for when I'm feeling like hot. And then I got some orthopedic granny panties. And yeah, I got the whole look. Sometimes I go down rabbit holes. Do not buy the SKIMS fold over leggings. First of all, they're not tight. They don't compress you in. And get this, they're not even tight and they're still see-through. Like you can see my tattoos right through them. Do not buy the SKIMS. Buy the relaxed shades. I'm not happy with them. I messaged the supplier and they said because it's not very wide, the windows, you're not gonna get the same relaxed shade effect. But what they do is they like hold their shape. But I don't know, I'm not happy with them. I probably should have just went with 2 pages. See, this is how I wanted it to be, just like this. I probably should have just went with 2 pages. Anyhow, let's go. We got to decide. Plus the Porsche is so low, it gets color chips at the bottom. So we got to decide. We also got to decide the color of tint. So let's just go.